First, click on the View Template Excel option to download the Excel format. Once you click on it, a Google Sheet screen will pop up. Click on File and then make a copy and name it as per your requirement, for example, Client Data. You can choose to save it on Drive or your computer. Now let's edit the file. Make sure not to change cell A1, which is the contact number, as this is unchanged. You can make changes to other columns. You can customize by adding customer name, messages, due dates, amounts, personalized messages for special occasions, and coupon codes. Fill in the data in the Excel sheet and save the file in CSV format, as this is very important. Now let's click on the Upload button and upload the saved CSV file. Type your message in the message box and select the customizations from the drop-down as per the rows in the uploaded Excel. The extension will automatically upload the message as per the contact number. Once you're done, click on the Send button and wait for the message to be sent. That's it. You've successfully sent customized messages to your contacts using the Chrome extension.